I am live at the Food Truck Tuesdays in downtown Hollister. Well, it is a chilly afternoon. It's cold, but everyone is getting some food this evening. Also, let's go take a look and see what we have going on at the Hollister Artisans Mercantile, where let's go take a look what we have going on. We got some coasters for $5. You can make your own coaster. Come see Marissa. What's that smile? There we go. So yeah, come on down. Also, thank you for all your support for all the veterans out there. Thank you for your service. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We gladly appreciate for all your hard work too as well. Also, if you have not signed up for my photography class, I am doing it this Friday at 2:30 to 3:30. So if you're interested of learning how to do photography, I'll be gladly to be your teacher. Also, if you don't sign up, I am going to be going live on Facebook during my photography class on Friday too as well. So if you are not signed up and oh God, can't make it to the place, or I want to stay home and just learn from home, perfectly fine. I would be gladly to go live and help you demonstrate it on the live stream. But in person is probably a lot better too as well. So I hope everyone has a good evening if we don't see you this evening. But if we do, we hope to see you here. We'll be here till 7 o'clock p.m. Peace out. Marissa.